We beautiful. Shalero nguye kumubuya sinikalanga samulutumbi paka nawunya. Ari njino malayo conversation tayo laughing. Ari imbere ni kamire fulena kaloke yoyo ubange lyo client ukanile Latrine drain angende ni deliverenga hwisomero baraza hotsoha mubi ko bye babana biwunya ari kubere ku kamire ho petrol station so hafura hawe serumu hatini nandi hekutie isamba huita fari lili muhataba heka metsi ngana lya inekeleza nako mumetsi na kalanga sabasa nisinga rafane mbitsi bulutumbi busa abantu babere obosana they laughed at me naswala kani mora busa hangu busa hwinyororo ahure kwafuka kwabanga hwiryaho. Stop laughing, I'm serious. Adnola hwisomera hu deliveringa Latrine drain mwene headmaster. Oh please, you're welcome. Ingira wihale yanu. Ngengato yitsuye kabetsi. We hani swalire. I don't know even what to tell you.
Okay, sweetie mutim.
Adina mota ulaza mo soon. Let me first watch a movie here before I go to bed. Nedi road likubone haho. Adine ho bukulesi mna no let me call my sweetheart. Ngani ho na before I go to bed. Liro dialo vere.
Okay, sweetie mutim.
It's very interesting.
Let me song for you.
Oh. Honey, you want to sing for me? Wow, I can't wait to listen to your voice.
Okay, sweetie mutim. No matter what I do, no matter what I do, no matter what I do, nakurezinga wahaju.
Wow. Honey, thank you so much. Fana lili huza ho mamba. Honey, should I tell you something? You're better than Juliana Kanyomos. In fact, you sing better than Celine Dion. I'm serious, honey, bye.
Okay, sweetie mutim.
Bangladesh.